Cox! Come on, Cox! Come on, Cox! Come on, Cox!
Come on, Cox! Come on, Cox! Come on, Cox! Come on, Cox! Come on, Cox!
Come on, Cox! Come on, guys!
Yeah!
Let's go, line!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's fucking win!
Yeah. How many chants are we gonna do?
Let's go, boys!
Yeah, Dirty Bird!
Actually, who is it? What is happening? Where's the disc? Oh, never mind.
Over there.
You burnt? The best player now. I'm kind of burnt.
What the hell?
I'm not burnt.
Let's go!
Let's go, boys!
The sunscreen works.
Yeah, Bubbles!
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Johnny!
Boobalay!
Johnny Frisbee!
Deep shot.
Hey, Phil!
There we go.
Look, see him. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Danny. Yeah, Danny. He's smart. Kill it, Danny.
Beat him.
Go, Pat.
You two.
Go, Pat.
Come on, Pat.
Yeah! Dot! Dot! Yeah!
Oh my God! Damn, Pat! I didn't know our Pat was like that. Damn, Pat! Damn.
Same on.
Right, left, right. We gotta stop those B-sides. No heart. Tie in! Like we know what he's throwing. Tie out, tie in! Up! Good, Buck, right there, right there. Pinch the hole, Brock. Find a man! Seal, Brock! Seal tie. Good. Do it! No round. Go round. It's on the top. Go round. Up! Good, Jay. What the hell? Plug the middle. Ty, you gotta be in tight. Right. Right. Oh. Let's seal that, Brock. Seal.
Hey, middle. Russ, you're good. Stay with it. Hey, Russ. Keep fighting, Bird. Let's go.
Yes!
Is it 3-1? Is that right? It's 3-1, right? I can count?
Yeah, it's 1-1.
No.
Score?
Yeah.
No, it's just 1-1.
No, it's 2. It's either 2-1 or 3-1.
Oh, yeah. Because
Okay.
we're on serve.
Yeah. Okay. I knew it was either 3 or 2, and I was like, I don't know.
Jay! Oh! Batman's a dog!
Classic J layout. Two.
Nice move, Jack. Gotta get it.
Yeah, David.
You got Danny! He wouldn't have if Danny kept going. I mean, do you see who's on Danny?
Nobody.
The guy who has no vision.
Get Pat out now.
Jay, killing me.
You want pictures of you while you're playing? I'll take some.
No, I'm recording. I don't give a shit. Oh my God, Danny. Someone needs to run into the small children over there.
You want me to streak?
No. I want you to streak into the crowd of like 6-year-old girls.
You do?
No.
Well, we'll see this millimeter defeater and go nuts. Turn that fucking park into a slip and slide.
The hell? What the hell?
No hands.
That was dirty.
Oh, thank you like that. George, I didn't see what happened after that disc base call. I know I threw it high. Did you catch it?
No. He just dropped it, I think. I don't remember, to be sure.
Look at play! Who touched me?
I'm not touching it. It was
Someone
this.
touched me.
It was probably this.
I said,
Or whoever
no,
walked
someone
past. It was probably she was trolling. Or Russ was trolling. I have no idea.
Yeah.
Shut up, Whitey.
They just run routes.
I have no idea what they're running. Hey, Colin just took like the longest on that incut. Damn. Damn. God motherfucking damn.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, dude. You're good.
You got a bag?
Yeah. They just threw it like right in the dirt.
What happened? That's a fucking good.
Let's
go!
They turned it when I wasn't looking? Yeah. He threw it and it immediately just hit the dirt.
Put me in, coach. God, we're on D-line now.
Here, Kirby. Yeah, Kirby. Good. Chin chin a little, Kirby.
Up. Yes, sir!
Turn! Turn!
Turn! Turn!
Hey, go,
Yeah, Brad.
Yes.
Damn.
Good cut, little bit. Hey, push up. Foul. My moment shine, and I dropped it.
Oh, what a dot.
Fair.
Dot from Colin Quinn from the
I
sideline.
broke my foot. No. Clear.
Under time.
Get it up. Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, chill.
Easy.
Kirby, Jay Freeze!
Fine.
Here's your hand.
Yes.
Get there, Sherwin! Let's go!
Get it back, Birds! Up!
It was 4-4.
Right?
No, it's
been holds all game.
Yep.
We started on that.
Johnny left.
Is it 4-4?
Yeah.
Or 4-3?
4-3.
4-3.
Okay. I can't count. That's what I learned today.
Rush right! Rush right! Rush right! Rush right! Rush right! He wants it! Right! Rush, he wants it!
Go, Brad. Come on, Brad. Oh, damn it. Yes. We're so back.
All right, come on, offense. Right, Rush, come on. Dude, you can turn him in front of the camera.
You're good. Everyone's in front of the camera.
Nice cut. That's a good cut, Jack.
Holy shit, Brad's so good.
There you go, Brad.
Go forward. We're in.
Hey, me, cross, Kirby!
Go, Curb. Oh, my God. Strike. Like,
Hey, you're
oh
good,
my
you're good, get it back.
Hey, Russ, you're good. Russ.
Hey, get it back, Russ.
Russ, shake it off. Shake it off.
Nice and flat, Russ. Nice
Big
and
flat mark. Big flat mark.
Russ, we need you. Get there.
Did we start on,
Up! Get her, Kirby. Oh,
Shot, Kirby.
did we start on O or D? We started on D, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fight, boys! Come on, White!
Okay.
Come on, White!
Were you talking about the beginning of the game?
He's hurt.
Or right now?
No, he didn't play last game. He was landed on his head.
Yeah, he just landed like right on his back and head.
He's different than I am. Yeah. Last game was
Mike, does anybody need one?
plug in Carter.
So I'm gonna a trainer. Where the trainers at when you need them?
Let's go, White! Keep fighting!
Keep fighting.
Let's get a turn here.
Let's go, boys.
In, Russ. Seal that!
Get there, Russ. Get there, Russ.
Good.
Inside, all inside. No, no round, no round.
One coming in, one coming in, one coming in.
Yeah, Jay. Yeah, Jay. Yeah, Jay. Yeah, Jay. Yeah, Jay.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, gotta be tight end.
Go around, Kirby. Go around. Up!
Russ, fly! Russ!
Penis.
This is the first time I've ever had.
Russ, man!
Yeah.
He's got COVID.
Aren't you his like girlfriend or something?
Left. Go around, Jack. Up.
Oh. Yeah.
Damn. It's like a shit.
R.I.P. Oh my Lord. That's a crime.
Can we use this? This is our championship disc.
No.
Can we get your game disc?
Get the game disc.
This is the most decent one we have.
Do you not have this one?
We probably lost that, bro.
We don't have that was my
Someone find the disc.
Just give us that disc.
Well, now the odds are in our favor.
Yeah, and then we got the Gamecock Ultimate discs.
Back in there.
Does that have my name on it?
I hope.
Tie it. Up.
Go get it, Sonny! Go get it, Sonny!
Go, Danny.
That's a break! Is that 4-4 or 4-5?
5-4. They just broke us.
I'm not doing it
Thanks,
for
I
that too.
appreciate that. I'm happy with just a practice plan.
Well, how could you be pleasantly
Because I just want to play.
If I have my way, you'll be pleasantly surprised.
Thanks.
Nice, clear. There you go. There we go, corner.
Yeah, David, use the pass.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Carter, move. Just don't mess up my disc, okay?
Hey, you're good, Colin. Let's go.
That's the game disc.
Yeah, Colin.
Can I get line? Give line.
Hey, guys, we have to give line.
We got the line.
Wait.
Yeah, Jack.
Jack, I love
Or just an Indy.
Jack. Yes.
Inside.
It's all inside.
Danny got that shit, though. Yeah, Danny! Why are you calling it now?
Jack, back off. Back off the mark. A little 2 steps.
What's the score, anybody?
4-5.
4-5.
4-5.
I had the right idea.
Yeah. You can say whatever. We say dumb shit all the time.
You're good, Pat. You're good, Pat.
One in.
David, you got 2 there.
Yeah!
That's fine, Will.
Get it back, Maryland.
Get it back.
49.
Damn. There's been so many injuries this tournament. From like all teams.
No.
That's the last tournament too.
Is he singing?
Yeah, he's captain. He's a captain.
Who is this guy?
They got him, Case. They got it. They got it, Case.
Hey, Danny, go to work.
My pinky toe hurt. And only that one.
I'm calling Carter to our pet.
I'm saying that at some point the frisbee will be thrown.
Good prediction.
Nash, watch it.
Come on,
Nash.
it's open.
Anyone want to place a bet?
Nice, Nash.
Nice!
Let's go!
Get back, Jay Frizz. Yeah, our pet.
Behind you.
Good job.
Yeah! Let's go, Jack! Let's go, Jack!
That's
Who
fine,
is this
Maryland.
guy?
Get back.
Peter, get back up.
Okay.
Nash, 1-7. No upline, no upline. Attack. No upline.
Push go, you're hot.
Push car. You're up. Yeah. Don't work. Seal it.
Seal.
Up!
Up.
5.
They'll fight way out. Yeah, just throw like a fake. If they're close to that, just throw a big fake in the under direction and then just hit it. Foul. Jesus Christ.
Don't you contest that either. Bro, he's really contesting that. He wasn't even looking. Is he? Yeah, he's contesting.
Oh my God, he called a strip.
Hey, good shit, Pat! Hey, do it again, Pat! Do it again, Pat!
Hey, Johnny.
Yeah.
Left pass. Yeah, right.
Yeah, Pat. Good shit, Pat.
Come on, Jake. Come on,
Are we up 1 and they tie with a hold? Right? Okay.
Shit.
True. Adam would know.
Yeah, Pat.
There's Adam.
Left, Danny.
That guy got no business. He's got no business.
Give him Arby's jersey.
Coming in at 10-7.
Keep the foot on the gas.
Hey, Nash and Peter talk. Nash, go. Go. Run the few left.
I knew exactly what you were going to do.
Straight back.
Yes!
That's my treasurer!
He's in charge of the money.
They were forced backhand, and you kind of
Prom night.
so I was just trying to
Who's on set?
Oh my God, soft cap. Is it one more after this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chili.
Find Brock!
So we need.
Yes, tie!
We're gonna need 12.
You guys been shy too?
I can count.
Wait, is 32 time?
No.
Phil. Pick off.
Oh my God.
31.
Okay, our guy on 32 is being tied.
Ty's 31, yeah.
Who had a Dylan yesterday?
It might be 33. I can't tell.
William and Mary had a Patrick. Somebody had a Dylan and I was guarding. So like they were calling.
We have a Dylan on our team.
Oh really?
Yeah. There's never any Georges except for the actual schools.
Do you guys have a 0 on your team?
What?
Like jersey number 0.
If we did, they'd be on A team probably.
I'm saying he came back into me and then came.
That's just not true.
He's just
How do
like.
you use your back to push? I mean, I'm gonna shut up.
Dylan, that's a dumb
I'm
question.
gonna shut up.
That's a question, for sure.
One of the questions of all time.
That was just my mad brain.
Yeah, we need 12 more, and we're at 10. 10-7.
Well, for a contested foul, you have to kiss afterwards.
Dude, that sounds awesome.
You have to reach down each other's pants.
Yes,
Jack.
First to come, or last to come. Fuck, I just had a stroke.
Show him.
He can't guard you, Moose. Phil. Yes, Jack.
Yes!
Let's go.
The Moose is loose!
Are you white?
Yes, I'm white. God damn it.
Are you sure?
Yes. Did you not see I sent my DNA? I sent my DNA test.
You got a D. Oh yeah, I did see you. 99%.
Yeah.
I don't know if I
I'm
believe it, though.
99.1%.
You've got to be next to it.
No, I'm 99.9% white, and the 0.1% is Cypriot, which is also just white.
Come on, Drew, keep working!
Gotta run, Arbet, gotta run!
Oh no, they're coming. They're like crazy. They're gonna save him.
You're in Max behind you. You're up behind you. Look behind you, sure.
Good left.
Come Kate.
Dude, this guy is screaming. Give it to Pfizer.
Go get Cal. No, they did not call Rob. That was crazy. I said go get Cali, but I came with that like
Not coming, Danny.
Danny under. There we go, Danny.
Unders! Yes!
Under.
You're huge inside. Yo, Dad.
dirty.
Birdie.
Oh, Jack, way to work him.
Danny Dog! Danny Dog! Up!
Danny Dog.
Is that just
In the white.
We still got this, it's not over yet!
Hey, let's go,
Let's get a turn here.
Danny Alligator.
Hey,
Need some more defense.
let's go defense!
Maybe don't, because we're scoring.
Okay, is this for the game?
Yeah, we need 1 point to win.
Oh, lit. Suck, Cabuno.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully.
It's currently 11 to 8, I think. It's 11 to 8, right, Brad?
Okay. I don't know. Yeah. They all rattled off a ton of breaks. I mean, they definitely are.
Danny got the one,
I think we're up 3.
Schaefer's got one back. Colin coming in.
Oh, David!
Oh!
Johnny.
Come on, Johnny.
Get it out. Just realize that.
Over the aristocracy.
Let's go, Patrick! Cuts!
Let's go, Maryland!
Yes, Danny. Nice, Carter.
Oh yeah, Danny. Put that blaming down on him, Danny.
Give it to him.
Yeah. David.
Oh my God.
That's up.
You're good, David! Get it back!
You're in there, X-Boys!
I guess it's only 3.
Hey, let's go, USC, shake it up!
Come on, Jack! Come on, Jack! Jack!
Let's go! Oh! Let's go! Oh! Let's go! Oh!
We need a
Yeah.
Oh, I'm scary. I'm scared. Yes, David. Clear. Keep going, David! Yes, Danny! Great catch, dude.
Strike Josh!
Come on, Colin.
ankles.
Yeah!
I'm gonna be a dick. It's the last game.
Colin, this is your matchup. Let's go!
Pat, he's slow. You got the under.
Fight, Maryland! You got it!
Patrick! Not coming, Colin!
We want this more than them!
No way! No way! I'll contest it. I'll leave it at that.
Oh, thanks, man.
Good call, Blue.
Thank you for leaving this.
I think it wasn't.
They gotta get back.
Wait, violation.
Violation. He hasn't signed yet.
8.
Wait,
Stall's 8.
Can it not come in at 8? Doesn't it have to go back on 6?
It's gotta be at 6, yeah.
What the fuck?
We've been playing something. Alright. No, it's supposed to be 6.
Get to him.
We've been playing 6 all day. Give him an option! Damn. Harder.
Let's go, Colin!
Yes, Smitty! Yes! It's up! Let's go! Fucking go! Yes! Yes!
Oh my God.
Wait, I know you
Hey, let's light it up.
Hell yeah, Blanks. Let's go, baby.
I got Trey.
George, you got film on that.
Yep. All right.
Chris.
Adam, I got your football.
Good shit.
Or white